Good morning to all. Good morning. Good morning, Anna and Jehovah.
Morning, sir.
Very good morning. Very good morning. Very good morning. Okay. So, yeah, we were doing some questions. Okay, now today we'll learn something new. Okay, so let me check what's the new rule. Okay, this is the question. Okay, now this type of question we will learn uh, when we have to do a lot of question. Like this type of question is a bit different, not hard. I will say it's a bit different. Okay. So how to solve this type of question? Before that, I'm giving you 2 minutes to do all the formulas revision which I gave. Okay. And then we will start the class because I think that only few people join. We'll wait for 2 minutes. Till then, you guys revise the formulas which I give it to you. Okay. And then I will take over a test. Don't turn off your camera like this. Okay, done.
2 minutes.
Out.
Okay. Now everyone join also. What happened, Ezekiel? Anushka, why are you so late?
Sir, I thought I was logged in, but I was not able to. Some issue was there.
And Anushka, yours?
So my laptop was slow. I mean, I would have been in time, but it was taking time to load. And also, I got a bit delayed in the morning today.
Okay, everyone turn on the camera now. Now, this type of question, how we will do this? Listen, guys. Okay. Now, uh, now if it is given there that 10a, don't write, okay, is equals to cot b. Okay, now listen, guys. First of all, we will make diagram. So this is A, B, and C. Okay, I did naming like this: A, B, C. Is it correct? And if it is incorrect, then tell me why. First of all, if it is correct, also then tell me why it is correct. I did a naming like this: A, B, C. Is it correct or incorrect? Whatever the reason you are saying, then you have to tell the reason. Please try. I want you to try. Anybody? Hannah, unmute your mic. Have to take 1 minute, then have to use the other. Yes, Hannah. H for Hannah.
I'm not sure, sir.
A for Anna. Anushka.
Yes, sir.
Is the naming is correct or incorrect? Or if it is correct, then you have to give me the answer. If it is incorrect, then also you have to give me the answer.
I don't know actually because the you said A plus B is equal to 90. Is that what you have to prove?
Okay. So is it correct or incorrect? Reason might be correct, but this diagram is correct or not? Or then, yeah.
I don't know. I don't think so. Maybe not.
No problem, no problem. Okay. So, Jahovan, is this correct? You want to try?
Not very sure. It doesn't have to be 90 degrees, and both B and C will have to be 45 degrees.
Okay. Ezekiel,
And
Ezekiel, you want to give a shot? Turn on the camera, guys. Don't turn off the camera. Yeah.
No, sir, I think I'll see. Sir, were you taking class before this?
I didn't did anything.
Okay.
It is the first question. So this diagram is correct. Okay. Okay. Now listen this. Like A plus B plus C is equals to 180. Now because we have to prove this, then it means that A plus B is 90 plus C is equals to 180. C is equals to 180 minus 90. Then C is equals to 90. It means that the angle C has 90 degrees and rest A and B. So that's why the diagram is correct. Understood, guys?
Okay.
Yes or no? Anna, A for Anna. Jehovah, turn on the camera, Ezekiel. Understood, guys?
So just give me like 5 minutes.
Okay. You understood, guys? Please raise your hand and say, yes, I understood. Okay. So now, can I write like we have these two angles, A and B. Okay, only two angles we solved, A and B. So can I write 10A as like B can be written as 90 minus A. Okay, how? How? I will understand it like this. See, now we got that C is 90 degrees. C is how much? 90 degrees. We got that. Okay. Now A plus B plus C is 180 degree because triangle sum property. And just now we saw that C is 90 degree is equals to 180. Now A plus B is equals to 180 minus 90. A plus B is equals to 90. So B is equals to 90 minus A. Yes or no? Yes or no? Can I write the value of B here? Can I write the value of B here? How? It will become cot 90 minus A. Everyone understood? Now
Yes.
tan A is equals to, now cot 90 minus A. Cot 90 minus theta is equals to tan theta. We know this formula. So cot 90 minus A is equals to tan A, because theta is here A. Because theta and A both are equal. So tan here theta is equal to A. So it means that it will become, did I do? Sorry. Mhm. Okay. Okay, some mistake I did. I mean, the process is correct, but we don't have to do this process. Okay. Okay, we'll do like here. See, cot B. Can I write it like 10? See, okay, we'll do like this. Okay. See, we know that what we know that 10, 10, 90 minus theta is equals to cot theta. Okay. And if I will write here cot B, so it will become 10, 90 minus theta. Yes or no? So the value of cot B is 90, 10, 90 minus. I will put the value here. So it become like this. 10 A can be written as 10, 90 minus T. Now this 10 and this 10 will cut. So A is equals to 90 minus B. Now this minus B will go here. Then it will become A plus B. I did a long way.
So,
Yeah.
so wait, I don't get the right hand side, the second step on the right hand side.
See, we know this formula 10, 90 minus theta is cot theta.
Yeah.
If I take theta as B, so here theta will also come as B.
Yeah.
So it means that cot B can be written as 10, 90 minus B.
Okay.
Now I just displace the value of cot B here, which is 10, 90 minus B. Now both the side has only one term, and which is 10, 10. So I just cut 10, 10, and the remain behind A is equals to 90 minus B. Now this minus B will go other side equals to become A plus B. Understood, everyone? Write it down quickly. Turn your camera, everyone. Done? Till where is this? Ezekiel? Can I turn the camera, please? Okay. Next question. Next type of question is okay. Now listen, guys. Like we have to show that the sine b plus c upon 2 is equals to cos a by 2, where uh, a b c are interior angle of a triangle. Interior angle of a triangle means like this. Like this is right angle triangle. It is A, B, and C, and these are the interior angle of a triangle. Okay. Now, because if it is an interior angle triangle, so the property of interior angle property will be there, like A plus B plus C is equals to 180. Yes or no? Now here sine has B plus C. So what I will do? I will send this A to the other side equals to, it will become B plus C is equals to 180 minus A. Yes or no? Now I have to do B plus C upon 2. So what I will do? Dividing by 2 on both sides. On both the sides, we have divided by 2, so it becomes B plus C upon 2 is equals to 180 by 2 minus A by 2. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Okay.
Now, this 2 and this 2 will cut, it will become 90. So, B plus C upon 2 is equals to 90 minus A by 2. Yes. Now I will do one more step, like multiplying by sine on both the sides. I multiplied by sine by both the sides. So what it will become? It will become sine into B plus C upon 2 is equals to sine into 90 minus A by 2. Understood, everyone? Joshua, Jehovan, Anna, Hannah, everyone understood? I just multiplied by sign. Yeah.
So I'm kind of confused with one thing. Yesterday I was doing my practicals, and I think instead of putting that for triangle ABC, they kind of put like this A and then those two dots on top, something like that. Is that also the same thing?
Can you repeat again?
So for my practicals yesterday, I
Mhm,
noticed that for when they said triangle ABC, instead of putting
mhm.
triangle, they just how do you say it? They put a symbol like A and then two dots on top. Is that also like the same thing?
A and two dots. Like this.
Kind of, well, no, they said like A and then ABC.
Can you annotate?
Okay,
Like
so
this. Yeah. Can you tell me how? Here you write it up. Two dot, I don't know. And it should be triangle. You saw incorrectly otherwise. It should be triangle always, but two dots, why put two dots? I don't know.
okay, so
Okay. It shouldn't be A, that is definitely. It will be triangle only. But why you put two dots? Okay. So what was I saying? That I just multiply sine on the both sides. Sine b plus c, like b plus c upon 2 was there. I just multiplied by sine. And the same way sine 90 minus a by 2 was there. I just multiplied by sine. Okay. Now we know this formula. What the formula we know? That sine 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. Okay. Now here it is written that sine 90 minus a by 2 will become cos a by 2. Yes or no? So in the same way, sine b plus c upon 2, it means that it will become cos a by 2. That we have to prove. So, we have to prove this thing only enough. That sine b plus c upon 2 is equal to cos a by 2. Understood, Ezekiel? No. Anushka, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
A for Anna,
yes, sir.
write it down. Write it down quickly.
Sir,
Hmm?
after you divided the both sides by 2, right?
Hmm.
After that, what did you do?
I just multiplied by sine on the both sides. Like here, you can see that after this, I just divided 180 by 290. So then I multiplied by sine on the both sides. So sine b plus c upon 2 is equal to sine a 90 minus a by 2. So 90 minus a by 2 is equals to cos a by 2. Right. Add it up quickly. Done? Shall I use this? Okay. Okay, now this question, I guess you can do it. It's very easy question. So I'm giving you 1 minute to quickly solve it and show it to me on camera. Quickly. And you got it? Everyone got it? Jahan, Ezekiel, guys, you got it? Okay, next question. Okay. Now it is given that express 1068 and sec 68 in terms of angle 0 degree to 45 degree. We have to express it. Okay. Now, how will you express this? Okay. Now, listen it like this. See, 68 can be written as 90 minus 22. So now, 10, 90 minus theta can be written as cos theta. Okay, so can I write like this? Like 10, 90 minus 22 plus x 90 minus 22. Okay. Now 10, 90 plus theta is cos theta. Then 10, 90 minus 22 will become cos 22. Okay. In the same way, sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. So sec 90 minus 22 will become cosec 22. So I'll just write like this. Becomes cos 22 plus cosec 22. So I change this 68, 68 in the between of 0 to 45 degree. So this has become 0 to 45 degree. No? It's coming in the between of 0 to 45 degree. Understood, guys? No. Done? Should I this? Guys, is it easy now? Yes or no? Everyone? Uh, now, okay. If 2a is equals to cot a minus 18, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Now we have to find the value of a. Now please pay attention, don't write anything. Don't write anything. See, 10, 90 minus, sorry. See, like we know that cot 90 minus theta can be written as tan theta. Yes or no? Now here theta is 2a. So can I write it like this? Tan 2a, it will become cot 90 minus 2a. Guys, did you understand what I did? Here theta is 2a, no? So I just write theta as 2a. So this theta will also come 2a. Yes or no? Yes or no? Ezekiel, did you understand better? No. You didn't
Yes,
understand things.
yes.
Okay. So it will become like this. Cot 90 minus 2a can be written as cot a minus 18. Now both has cot, so I'll cut the cot. So 90 minus 2a will become a minus 18. Okay. Now I will send this here and this here. So the minus will become plus. So 90 plus 18 is equals to a plus 2a. It becomes 108 is equals to 3a. And 108 divided by 3 is equals to a, which will become 3, 30, 36. The value of a will be. Guys, do you understand?
So,
Yeah.
you explain the third step.
See, 19 plus 18. I just did this minus 18 go to the left hand side, become plus, and minus 2 become left hand side to become plus. Understood? So 90 plus 8 is 108, and a plus 2 is 3. I just divided and it becomes 36. Simple as that.
Sir,
Yeah.
um, the previous question proved that cos theta by sin 90 minus theta plus sin theta. That one, could you do that one? I didn't get that.
See, that person we will do after doing one more topic, because in that there is an identity. Their identity is skipped, no? Because we have to do this question, these types of things first. Then we move to identity. We skip one portion of this trigonometry chapter. First we will do that chapter. Then we will do this. First we will do that topic. Then we will do this question, because that topic has some identity that is using in that question. That's why I skipped that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, I'll give you one question. Okay. Um, Now, guys, you have to do this question. And if you didn't get it, just ask me, okay? You guys will do this. Okay. Do this question. You can turn on the camera, please.
Sir, can you do this one?
The same question we did, just two examples before.
I'm kind of confused how to start it off, sir.
Because you also want help? Okay. A plus B plus C is equals to what? A plus B plus C is equals to 180. Okay. Now I will send it A to that side. It becomes B plus B is equal to 180 minus A. Then I divide it by 2. And it becomes पूरा इसमें ले लो बेटे बेटे इसका बेस लगा अच्छा yes now you understood now I will multiply this whole term by 10 so 10 10 3 plus 3 by 3 is equal to I3 minus 3 by 3 you also multiply by 10 yes so now 90 minus a by 3 so 10 90 minus b star is equal to 4 theta so 10 90 minus a by 2 equals to 4 a by 2 so 10 b plus 3 by 3 all understood everyone huh China you did same process or today is your homework exercise 22.6 exercise 22.4 understood guys so we'll end this class and we'll start our science class in 5 minutes yes guys you will have time till then bye tomorrow we'll do identity Anushka and Anna time
Hi, sir. Thank you.
Bye. You guys have 5 minutes and come back. Okay, so we'll start our science class. Shall we start the science class? Yes, we will start the science class. Okay, give me a second, I'll share it. Okay, so reproduction. We were doing reproduction yesterday. We did asexual reproduction also. Hello, Krishna. How are you? So, do you have any problem in that topic? Huh? Ezekiel, do you have any problem? The reproduction topic?
No,
Mr. On,
sir.
Mr. Rohan? No? Anna? No? Okay. Now, micropropagation. Micropropagation is that, okay. Basically, it's also called as tissue culture. What culture? Tissue culture. Now, understand it like this. Like in a garden area, one type, one variety of plants, all are dying. All are dying. Understand the situation because of some disease. All the plants are now to save these plants. What do we do? Like, like you should know that the tip of the plant is called as apical mesh. What is it called as apical mesh? Okay. Now what this uh, do is do that it's continuously divide. So every time you see that plant is growing in upward direction, and the upward apical meristem continues to divide and it's going like this, so that the plant can grow. Now, what is everything is dying, but still the apical meristem will not. In the apical, like you heard that we cut the plant, but still it's growing, it's growing. Yeah, because it will take time, but it will still going. Why? Because the apical meristem, which particular meristem is a dividing test that always divide, always. In tissue culture, what they can do, like the plant which is dying, they will take the apical meristem of that, they will shift that cells of the tissue into callus medium. Now, what is callus medium? Callus medium is the medium in which the cells are placed, so with the nutrition, so that they can divide more. Yes or no? Do you understand? In callus medium, there is a nutrition, agar nutrition. Okay, these type of nutritions are there in which cell is shifted and they continuously divide to form plantlets, and then plantlets are put into the garden to form a new plant. So this type of thing is called as micropropagation, and it comes under asexual growth. Understood? I'll repeat it again. I just take the tissue, which is apical meristem, put into the callus medium. It's with the nutrition that I put it. It will divide and divide. And when it will divide, then it will become a small plantlet. And then plantlets are set into the garden to form a new plant. So this is called as micropropagation. Understood? Yes or no? Just not understood? Johan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hannah?
Yes.
Also. Now, cloning. Okay. Cloning is basically what they do. It's called a surrogate mother. What they call surrogate mother. Okay. Now, what happens that um, a clone is a generation copy of the parent. The sheep dolly, when born, was exact copy of her mother. Her mother adult cell nucleus was transferred into the egg of surrogate mother. After removing the nucleus, the dolly's mother provides the gene while the surrogate mother provides food. So basically, what happened that they took the nucleus, they took the cells from the dolly mother, okay, and they put it to the surrogate mother. So what they did, they just take out the nucleus and let the cells divide. Okay, and when the cells divide, they saw that one new clone forms. It's called as joy. Okay, it's called as cloning. Cloning means same to same. Like only one nucleus they produces the new generation or new organism. It's called as cloning. Understood? Yes or no? Hmm? Now this is your homework. Okay, this is your homework. I'm giving you 2 minutes to read these two things: uh, cloning and tissue culture. Quickly read this. Micropropagation. Okay. Now sexual reproduction. So in sexual reproduction, I told you like male and female, their gametes. What is gamete? Okay, so gamete is basically nothing else, but gametes are the we can say the pass on small cells. Like for example, male gamete is called as sperm and female gamete is called as ova. So when sperm travels towards ova so that it can fertilize it to form two cell stage because two cells are merging. No, this two cell stage is called as zygote, and then zygote further divides and divides to form embryo. To form embryo, and then embryo will form a organism. So what happens that male releases male gamete, which is called as sperm, and female releases female gamete called as ova. Now male gamete sperm and female gamete ova, they both will fuse together to form zygote, and now this zygote will form embryo, and that embryo will form an organism. Understood, guys? Anna, Yashra, have you understood? Now, now, so in male gametes is called as stamen or endosphere, which releases pollen grains. So pollen grains look like this. Pollen grains look like this. They have two types of cells. Okay. Now first is uh, fertile cell, and the second is vegetative cell. In pollen grain, we are reading the structure of pollen grain. We first is fertile cell, and the second is vegetative cell. Now, what is the vegetative cells mean? These vegetative cells have nutrition to provide nutrition to the fertile cell. It provides nutrition to the fertile cell. Understood, guys? Yes. Now, fertile cell has two sperm, two male sperm. Okay. So fertile cell consists of two male sperm and vegetative cells is basically the food or the nutrition that is given to the male sperm. Yes or no? Yes or no? No. Stamens are called as endosphere, which produces pollen and are called as male part. Pollen grains consist of male sex cells. There may be several stamens in each part. So there are maybe several stamens. Many stamens will be there. Okay, and they produces pollen grains. Which each stamen endosphere has a two parts. Okay, now listen like this, guys. Now this is basically called as stem. Okay, which is the male reproductive. This is called as filament. This is called as anther. Anther basically produces pollen. Okay, anther produces pollen grains, which have two male sperm and the vegetative cell. Two male sperm work is to go to the female reproductive part, use them, make a fruit. Understood, guys? No. Did you listen? And if I will draw the structure of gynosphere, which is the female reproductive part, it's gonna be look like. Okay, now listen, guys. So this is gynoecium, which is a female reproductive part. This is endoecium, which is male reproductive part. Guys, are you getting it or not? Yashwan, Jehovan, are you getting it? Do you have any doubt, Yashwan? If you have doubt, just raise your hand. No? Jehovan, do you have any doubt? No? Ezekiel, do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
Hannah, you?
No, sir.
Okay. So this is called as male reproductive part. The head of the male reproductive part is called as anther, and the like its filament is the we can tell that stick that is attached to the flower. Okay. In the same way, this is called as female reproductive part. Now the upper part where the pollen grain falls, it's called as stigma. It's called as what? It's called as stigma. Guys, did you understand? Yes or no? Okay. The neck part is called as style because girls always do styles like human reproductive always do styles. That's a style. And the bulk part is called as ovary. Now, who ate mango? Who ate mango? Everyone ate mango. So the mango is basically this ovary. We know now the seed of mango is it's very hard and it's fine always in between it. Yes. And if you will shake it, there is some ball inside that. That is called a seed of the mango. So the mango is basically the ovary which we are eating. Oh my god. Mango is ovary which we are eating of a plant. Yes or no? And ovary has seeds, so this is called as ovule, which is the female reproductive part, or ova, like ovule and ova. Okay, understood, guys? Yes or no? Write it down, please. Draw this diagram, write it down. Yeah. Done, Philosophy? If you're done, just give me a thumbs up. Ezekiel, are you drawing it or not?
Um, I am kind of drawing it. I'm trying to draw it. Sir,
Yeah.
uh, you mean the diagram you drew down, right? The one on
Yeah.
top? Okay.
See, guys, the NIS session gave you notes page. So if you will draw here, then it will be good. Like whatever I used to do in my 10th class time, I read this paragraph and what from this paragraph I got, I just view in the right hand side or the left hand side of the notes. So that whenever I'm doing revision, I will go to notes, not the whole paragraph, but I will go to notes to understand or to do revision. Tomorrow is your test. Remember that lens chapter, okay, after reflection.
Sir,
Yeah.
this week are
Yes.
we having it on Friday or next week we're having it?
No, this Friday will be.
Okay, sir.
I mean tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, no? Tomorrow is a fun.
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall I read this, guys? Okay. Now, let me read how much is given in the book. Okay. Now, can you see the diagram? Okay. Now we will learn that how fertilization occurs in plant. Okay. So I'll ask you one question from Ezekiel. Ezekiel, who releases pollen grains from the male part?
What, sir?
What part of a male reproductive system releases pollen grains?
I can't hear properly. Can you say again?
I'm saying what part of a male reproductive system produces pollen grains?
Only the sperm.
Yeah, which part of a male reproductive system?
I don't know, sir.
No. Hannah?
And the
Answer.
Oh, and
Answer
flowers. Okay, thanks, thanks.
releases. My God. Answer releases pollen grains. Okay. Now, what happens? These pollen grains, okay, which is released by anther, okay, like this is the pollen grains, which is released by anther. They come to this flower, okay. They come to this stigma, like female reproductive system is there, stigma, and they got sticked. Okay, so by which medium? By which medium? It's come by the medium by wind or by water or by insect. So by insect, pollen grains travel. Like for example, how by insect, like butterfly came. Butterfly came to eat nectar which is found in the flower. So they sit and they are drinking juice, like they're chilling. They have some, like they are put sunscreen on the chilling and they're just drinking juice. So while drinking juice, the pollen grains will stick on the leg of the insect, and then it will go like this, and it will go to the next flower to drink juice. Then the pollen grains will shed. When the pollen grains will shed, it will stick to the stem. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Huh? By wind, how? Like because of the strong wind, the pollen grain which is on the end turn got like what is it? Free away and it sticks to the stigma. By water, how? It's by water is only on the hydro plant, like water, those who are living in water. So like by water wave, they releases on the water the pollen grains, and the water waves will take that pollen grains to the next flower and they stick to stigma. So by this medium, these pollen grains got they go and they stick on the stigma like here. And when they stick, now the pollen grains wall, it's very hard. It's one of the hardest substance. The wall of a pollen grain, what? The wall of a pollen grain is made up of one of the hardest substance. It's called as sporoporollin. So this sporoporollin is the one of the hardest substance. Like you can't break it, you can't cut it. No. But when it got stick to the stigma, the sporoporollin will break and it releases, as I told you, male sperm. How many male sperm? Two male sperm. How many male sperm? Two male sperm. So you can see that this is called a pollen tube through which the male sperm passes and is going towards the ovule. Understood, guys? No. Yes or no? So you can see that now this is passing, and now it's going towards the ovule to use the egg cell like here, and the secondary nucleus. Now listen, guys. Now this is not in your topic, not in your book, but it's very easy and very you can understand. Okay. Now one sperm uses egg cell. One sperm uses egg cell to form seed. You know seed, the watermelon seed, every seed which is formed. Please pay attention, Ezekiel. Don't see here and there. No, just see here, okay? Because this is not in your book, you can't read it then. That's why I'm saying. And it's a 12th concept, and but it is very easy. That's why I'm saying. Okay? Krishnan and Jawan, it's not in your book, okay? Just pay attention here, okay? Now, what was I'm saying? That one sperm, I told you that pollen grain has two sperms. So one sperm will come and it's used to the egg cell to form seed. You know seed? Like in watermelon, when you are eating that black seed is formed when pollen grain one sperm cell and egg cell fuses. Understood, guys? No. Yes or no? Okay. Now second sperm cell, second sperm cell fuses with the middle one, which is called as secondary nucleus. It's called as is secondary nucleus to form endosperm. Okay, endosperm. Now, what is endosperm? Endosperm is a nutrition giving food to the seed. Okay, it gives nutrition to the seed. Okay, if you drink water, coconut water, coconut water, right? You, right? You, uh, Peter, okay. Now that coconut water, the water is basically the endosperm which you are drinking. The endosperm is the water. Like if you will put coconut aside for some days, for some months, then the water will get like it disappears. Why? Because the coconut it's a living seed. Okay, and endosperm is he's using endosperm to become to live. Understood? So the coconut water which you are drinking is an endosperm for the seed inside the coconut. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Yeah. So now this process is called as basically double fertilization. Can anybody tell me why it is called as double fertilization? Because how many times fertilization occurs? This is as one time and this is as second time. So because two times fertilization occurs, that's why in flower double fertilization occurs. In mostly flower, double fertilization occurs because two times fertilization occurs. So if it in question, if it is term, what do you mean by double fertilization? Double fertilization is a fertilization which finds in the flower in which one sperm cell reproduces with egg cell to form seed and one sperm cell reproduces with secondary nucleus to form endosperm, which give nutrition to the seed. These two fertilizations occur simultaneously. It's called as double fertilization. Everyone understood?
Yes.
So what's it? Role
Yes.
secondary nucleus? What is right? There's
Secondary,
secondary nucleus.
yeah, secondary nuclei is the middle. It is here. Can you see that? Okay, and it's from endosperm. 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 Okay, and it gives nutrition to the seed. Now, quickly write it down. Quickly write it down because it's not there in your book. So then it's the extra information which is good also. Like they can ask you what is double fertilization. Okay, one more term I have to explain, then write it down. Okay. One term, last term is there. Okay. Now listen, guys. Now, basically, the secondary nucleus has two nuclei. It has two nuclei. Okay. Secondary nucleus has two nucleus. The condition of nucleus is basically like this: one nucleus and two nucleus. Now, the sperm is also coming. It also has nucleus. When they will form endosperm, now how many nucleus will be there? Three nucleus will be there. So the endosperm might have three nucleus. So this is called as triple fusion because three nucleus is there. That's why it is called as triple fusion. So if they will ask you what is triple fusion is the fusion of secondary nucleus and sperm so that it can create three nucleus at simultaneously called as triple fusion. Understood? Yes or no? Fair enough. If you can write it down quickly. Tell me when you're done.
Done, sir.
Okay. And I'm still writing. Ezekiel is still writing. Till you guys read
Done,
this
sir.
paragraph. Okay. You guys read this paragraph. Page number 124. Done, है ना? Okay. So we'll stop here. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the class. Bye. Have a nice day. And sayonara. Take care. Shubhratri. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, guys.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
sir.
Bye. 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 Thank you.